Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to look at inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, remember to like it and also share with your friends. So, in today's video, we're going to look at inverse of a matrix. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you the symbol used to denote inverse of a matrix, and that symbol is a raised to the power -1. That is the symbol. So A is the name of the matrix, and that name is raised to the power of -1. Okay. 2, I'm going also to share with you the formula of an inverse of a matrix. So the formula of an inverse of a matrix is A raised to the power -1. Remember, here we are taking in account that the matrix given is A. So A is just the name of a matrix, which is A raised to the power -1, which is equal to 1 over determinant A, because we are getting it that A is the matrix given, multiplied by adjoint of a matrix A. Okay, so if you are given matrix B, that where there is capital letter A, you will be putting B just like that. Okay, so that is the formula. So determinant A and adjoint A there. Okay, so that's the formula for an inverse of a matrix. Okay, so now let's find inverse of given matrices. So I'm not going to talk about inverse match and determinant or adjoint, because we looked at determinant and adjoint in previous videos. So if you are not sure on how to find a determinant, please, there are videos or links in the description box where I've put those links there. They will take you to videos where we talked about determinant and adjoint. So there is a link for a video where we talked about determinant, how to find a determinant, as well as a link of a video where we talked about forming adjoint of a matrix. So you just go in the description box, you'll find those links there. Okay, so with that being said, now let's get into finding inverse of given matrices. So the first matrix is that one. So we have got matrix A, which is 4, 3, 6, 5. 4, 3, 6, 5. Those are the elements in matrix A. So to find the inverse of a given matrix, what we need to do is we need first to find the determinant. Then when we find the determinant, then we are going to use that formula in red to write the inverse of the matrix. Okay, so if you are not sure on how to find a determinant of a given matrix, like I said earlier on, the link to the video where we talked about finding a determinant of a matrix is in the description box, so you can just go there and click on that link. If you feel you need to watch that video before this one, you can just stop this one and then go and watch that video, so that you have got an idea on how to find a determinant. In this video, I'm not going to explain much on how to find a determinant. I'll presume that you viewers already have an idea on how to find a determinant. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to find the determinant of this matrix. Okay, so to find the determinant of any given matrix, we need to find a difference of the product of leading diagonal and trailing diagonal. Okay, so to find the product of the reading diagonal, we are going to multiply 4 by 5. Okay, minus, then we multiply 6 by 3 minus okay, that is the one I've indicated. That's the reading diagonal of a matrix. This given matrix, that is the reading diagonal of this matrix. Then we multiply by 6 by 3, which is the one I've indicated there with a yellow marker. 3 and 6, they make a trading diagonal. They make a trading diagonal. So we subtract the product of the trading diagonal, which is 6 by 3. Okay, now let's find the answers. 4 by 5 will give us 20, minus 6 by 3 will give us 18. Then the difference of those two products is 2. 20 minus 18 will give us 2. So 2 is the determinant of this matrix. 2 is the determinant of this matrix. Now, let's go and find the inverse of this matrix. Now we know the determinant of matrix A, so now we can go ahead and find the inverse of this matrix. So as we said earlier on, the formula for inverse of a matrix is the name of matrix raised to the power -1 is equal to, okay, then we are going to say 1 over determinant multiplied by the adjoint of the given matrix. Okay, so what is the determinant? We have found it's 2. The adjoint, we'll come to that. Okay, so we're going to write equals to 1 over, what is the determinant? The determinant we got is 2, 1 over 2, then multiplied 1 over 2, then multiplied by the adjoint. So we're going to open bracket. Now, if you are not very conversant on how to find adjoints, like I said earlier on, the link to the video we talked about adjoint is in the description box. So you can just go in the description box, click on that link, take time to watch that video so that you can learn on how to form an adjoint matrix. Okay, so we're going to write the adjoint of matrix A. Okay, so when you are writing the adjoint of matrix A, what we're going to do is we are going to swap or interchange elements that forms the reading diagonal. So those elements are 4 and 5. So 5 will go on top, 4 will come down diagonally. So where there is 5, that's where 4 will come, and where there is 4, that's where 5 will go. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, 4 comes down, 5 goes on top. Okay, and then what happens to the other numbers? So 6 and 3 will change their sign. Remember, they are not interchanging their signs, but they are just changing their signs. If the element was positive, it will become negative. If it was negative, it will become positive. So the trailing diagonal elements will change their signs. Okay, so 3 is a positive, so it will become a negative, and 6 is a positive, so it will become a negative as well. So then I'm going to cross that and then underline there. So this is an inverse of matrix A. So we have found the inverse of matrix A. Okay, we can go to the second question. Okay, if you have got questions, you want to comment about something, you can write in the comment section. I'll be glad to go through those comments. Okay, let's go to question 2, which is B, matrix B. Okay, that is matrix B. Okay, so pause this video, take time, try to solve this one, and the answer you get, please, you can write it in the comment section. I'll be glad to go and check on the answers and comment on them. So pause this video, try to solve it, and then write your answer in the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to take it that you pause the video and you worked out this problem. Now let's solve it together. The essence of doing this is to see if you have gotten the concept, and then when we solve together, it's just that we cement the concept after you have also tried your best to solve it. Okay? All right. And it's another way you can check if you have understood what is going on. Okay? So let's go now to solve this one. So as well as this one, I'm going to write determinant B, or determinant of B. Determinant of B is equal to, so the same thing will happen. I'm going to multiply the leading reading diagonal elements from there, then I'll subtract the product of the trailing diagonal from the the product of the reading diagonal. Okay, so I'm going to say -2 multiplied by -1 cross bracket minus 5 multiplied by 3 will give us, okay, that expression there, 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, then the next thing, I'm going to find the product of this. So -2 multiplied by -1 will give us +2, which will, from +2 will subtract the product we get from 5 by 3 will give us 15. Okay, so it's going to be 2 minus 15. Then we find the difference of these two numbers. 2 minus 15 will give us -13. So -13 is the determinant of this matrix. Okay, so the next thing now we're going to do is, now we're going to find the inverse of this matrix. So as usual, I'm going to write inverse B is equal to 1 over determinant of B multiplied by adjoint of B. So inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of B times adjoint of B. Okay, so now let's go ahead and solve this one. So we're going to say 1 over, what is the determinant we got is -13. So we're going to say 1 over -13, okay, multiplied by, okay, adjoint. So like we said earlier on, when forming an adjoint of a matrix, we swap the elements in the reading diagonal. Okay, so -1 will go on top, -1 will go on top, -2 will come down. So it's going to be like this: -1 has gone where -2 was, and -2 has come where -1 was. Okay, once we have done that, then we're going to now change the signs of elements in the trading diagonal. Okay, so which is 3 and 5, they will change their signs. So +3 will become +3 will become -3, and +5 will become -5. Okay, so as you can see, and +3 and +5, they have changed their signs, they have become negative numbers. Okay, and then -2 and -1, they have swapped the positions, so we have interchanged these leading diagonal elements, and then we have changed the sign of trading diagonal elements. Okay, then we're going to close brackets and underline that one. So that is the inverse of matrix B. Okay, so basically this is how you find the inverse of any given matrix. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also invite your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.